Welcome back to News Now. Your channel has the full details of the report tabled by the Standing Committee on Coal and Steel that says all coal blocks distributed between 1993 and 2008 were done in an unauthorized manner. The details adding to a turbulent parliament session that led to the adjournment of both houses earlier today.
This 30th report of the Standing Committee, which is in my hand, this report really talks about the losses that have been caused to the Exchequer. These losses are not just during the UPA government in the coal block allocations, but also during the NDA government. That's one of the reasons why we've seen uproarious scenes in the Lok Sabha today. There is a second report. The second report is the CAG report on the very, very important scheme, which is the Manrega scheme. This is the first audit report of the Manrega scheme that has been laid in Parliament. Let me first take you through the contents of the coal report. The coal report clearly points out that there has been huge loss to the state exchequer due to non-development of coal blocks. The report says the committee has observed that due to a big gap in demand and supply of coal to meet power demand, coal blocks were allocated to private companies for enhancing coal productions. It goes on to say the committee have felt that such allocation of huge natural resources has not generated sufficient revenue for the government, and instead it has only benefited the private players. Since the coal blocks allottees are required to pay royalty cess to the concerned state on coal production, the non-development of coal blocks will mean a big loss to the state exchequer as well. It goes on to really talk about 195 coal blocks with geological survey of about 44.23 billion tons that had been allocated by the government for various private companies, and it goes on to say that some of these blocks have been really given away in a manner that really has caused a lot of losses to the exchequer. It says there was a lackadaisical approach adopted by the monitoring committee, the screening committee also of the government, and largesse has been handed out to private players. The big issue is, of course, the fact that it has pointed fingers at the NDA regime as well as the UPA regime on the allocation of coal blocks. In fact, it says that re-examination of several coal blocks and a comprehensive review of all coal blocks has been recommended. It points out in this particular report that the legality of the interministerial group also needs to be examined. So huge losses being reported by this Standing Committee report. This has been laid in Parliament just a little while ago, just a few minutes ago. It's the 30th report of coal and steel, and the conclusions really is something that is agitating members of Parliament and political parties across the spectrum.
It is unfortunate that for allocating coal blocks, neither any auction was held, nor the central government earned any revenue. Natural resources were distributed without any following transparent system and without generating any revenue for the government. Since the ministry could not indicate how much coal resources, either in quantum or in value, were distributed, and since committee observed that such distribution was done in a most unauthorized manner, no one knows how much loss our country has suffered for that.
Yes, I have been saying this for a long time. The government of India must look at this, that how is it that the CAG reports are leaked to the press before the report is presented to the Parliament? How the JPC report, which was not even signed, got leaked to the press? These are the matters of investigation, because this kind of this kind of a thing happening in the government is not good.
कि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को पार्लियामेंट में अपनी स्थिति स्पष्ट करनी चाहिए।
वो रिपोर्ट मैंने अभी पढ़ी नहीं है, आज ही टेबल हुई है, अभी टेबल हुई है, लेकिन जो मीडिया में खबरें छपी हैं उससे लगता है कि बहुत गंभीर आरोप उन्होंने लगाए हैं, और सबसे गंभीर आरोप तो ये है कि CAG के रिपोर्ट में जो फिगर्स हैं वो कह रहे हैं कि जो नुकसान हुआ है वो उससे भी कहीं ज़्यादा है। तो उसका अध्ययन करना चाहिए। पार्लियामेंट की कमेटी का रिपोर्ट है और गंभीरता से लेना चाहिए और जो कुछ इनको उसके आगे कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए वो कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
कोलगेट का मामला आया है और जैसा कि रिपोर्ट आ रही है, ये जितना कैग रिपोर्ट ने बताया था उससे भी बड़ा घोटाला साबित होने जा रहा है।
नहीं, वो हम कितनी बार उठा चुके हैं। हमसे ही पूछ रहे हैं, हम ही उसको उठाए हैं। तो हम तो जानते हैं कि वो बहुत बड़ा स्कैम और उसको उठाएंगे।
कानून मंत्री सीबीआई चीफ को बुलाते हैं।
नहीं, वो ठीक बात नहीं, वो सब उठाई जाएगी।
वो कह रहे थे कि हम उनका ग्रामर सुधारने के लिए उनको बुलाया था, इंग्लिश का ग्रामर बता रहे थे।
हाँ, नहीं, मैं उनने ये जो काम किया है वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आदेश के बाद जो काम किया है वो सीबीआई का डायरेक्टर चाहिए। ये गैर वाजिब बात है।